Oh hi! May balita ako sa'yo! A new solution is now available to help you build your dreams today. Dream Builder! Get life protection plus guaranteed payouts with an early maturity benefit at year 20. With Dream Builder, your dreams don't have to wait because your dreams build today. You wanna know the features ng Dream Builder? First, guaranteed cash payouts. Perfect para sa dreams mo. Dream vacation. Dream business. Dream future. You can fund it. Maturity benefit. You'll get to enjoy your benefits earlier. Death benefit with protection booster. More protection for our loved ones. And we can enjoy a simplified issue offer. Easier na to get insured. Want more info? Visit ew@gs.com.ph. Dream Builder. Your dreams built today.